Hi, Bruce from Safiery, and we're in front of this Isuzu NPR. We're going to chat to Darren in a minute, but have a look here. This has got 3,200 watts of solar. This actually gets the prize. So he's got 1,600 watts on top of here, and we've just added 1,600 to the trailer, and we've added an Anderson plug from the trailer coming back into a separate controller back here, so that the trailer is giving the additional solar support. And I think it's just fantastic. Darren, how are you?
Excellent, mate. How are you?
Yeah. And what are your travels like? Where are you travelling to?
Oh, around Australia. Work from the office at the back and live in the camper at the front, and we just live on the road.
Now, Darren designs transmission lines, he's telling me. So we're looking here at someone pretty high tech, by the way. You know your technology pretty well, and we've got a very nice setup in here. He's got a Scotty running here 24 to 48. And we're just running our additional cabling here for the solar panel that we've got to tidy up. But today, how many watts? What was the maximum we saw today?
We were getting, what was it, 1,200 watts or something at the moment.
Yeah.
That was at, I don't know, probably 3:30 in the afternoon.
Yeah, pretty late. And then you were saying when you were in Adelaide, what yield were you getting?
Off the panels up there, we were getting 1,900 watts off. 1,900 watts off 18. Off the 4 panels.
Off a potential 1,600, you're getting 1,900.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, incredible. They do better than their nameplate. And one of the part of the secret is we're running very high voltage off the roof. So we're running off the roof around, 76, 80 volts?
Volts, yeah.
Yeah, about that coming off the roof. Alrighty, well, all the best in your travels, Darren. And
Thank you
for calling in. And I've got to say, how good's that?